Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can buy Bone Shibaswap on your Trust wallet. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So as you can see, we are on Trust wallet right now. So the first thing that you will need to do is go to your browser, go to CoinMarketCap and search for Bone Shibaswap and simply go down and check the contract. So as you can see, we are over here. This is a ethereum based contract, which is a ERC20 contract. So I will simply go ahead and add to Trust wallet first. So there is no option to directly add it. What I will do is I will copy this contract address, go to my Trust wallet, I will open it again, click on receive, and I will try to paste the contact address, no assets found. So I will add custom tokens. I will type in anything random and add custom tokens, paste the contact address over here, and as you can see, Bone Shibaswap, Bone and decimal places have been pre-populated. I will go ahead and click on save. Now Bone is added to my wallet. So if we go down and search for Bone, so as you can see, Bone is right over here. Now what you need to do is go to your browser and search for maybe Shibaswap. So I will search for shibaswap.com and let us wait for it to load. Now you can swap your Ethereum on Shibaswap or Uniswap. So just check both of them, which is giving you a better rate. Now we simply go down over here, click on swap tokens, and let's say if we want to exchange one Ethereum and swap two, we will select Bone. So we will just search for Bone and click on it, and it will calculate the current exchange rate. So today's exchange rate is 1 Ethereum is equal to 1902 Bone tokens. Since I don't have Ethereum balance in this wallet because this is a video wallet, it's not giving me the option to swap. Else the option to swap comes over here. So once you press on swap, you have to pay a gas fees, which would be in Ethereum. So you need to have a decent Ethereum balance in your Trust wallet. So simply go ahead and click on swap, and then you will be receiving Bone tokens in your Trust wallet. Now if we do the similar thing with Uniswap, so if we go ahead and click on uniswap.com and we'll press on launch app, and it is asking me to connect Uniswap to my wallet. So I will go ahead and connect it, and it's still not showing the wallet connect over here. Let me click over here again, click on wallet. For some reason it's not loading, so you have to connect your wallet over here. Now let's say 1 Ethereum, and we will again select the token Bone, and we are not able to see the Bone because maybe because the wallet is not connected. For some reason it's giving an error. Let us try to go back and go to Uniswap again. Let us check down Uniswap exchange, and we will first click on wallet. So wallet connect, so let's see. Now the wallet has been connected. Now we will again type 1 Ethereum and select Bone. So Bone Shibaswap we have selected, and they have given a small caution. This isn't traded on leading US centralized exchange. We will simply go ahead and click on understand, and it will fetch the best price in some time. So as you can see, it's giving 1895 Bone token, whereas we were getting a higher price on Shibaswap. So I will use Shibaswap here to swap my Ethereum to Bone. Again, since there is no balance of Ethereum in this wallet, hence it's not giving me the option of swap over here. And it's the same process. You have to pay the gas fees and then swap the tokens to Bone. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.